I normally make videos about my projects, the things that I do. But this time I'm making a video of my husband and one of his little projects that he did all by himself with very little suggestion of mine. As a matter of fact, I promise you, I did not nag him about it. I just suggested, this would be a good idea if we took those chicken posts down at the back of the yard and put them at the front, painted them black. And he's planting them at the end of the driveway. They took down the 2 fence posts that was there and over there. And they were cemented in the ground, and so he dragged them across the yard. You can see the trail that it kind of left. And they were heavy. Yeah, there's a path for the other one. The posts were here at the end of the yard, the chicken pen. They had a concrete base to keep them upright. There's a ridge here because the chicken fence used to be here and the chickens dug down because chickens love to dig and scratch. See the path that he took, dragging the posts with the concrete on them. We had to drag them across the yard because they're heavy. It left a little trail here, and there's the path drug across the yard. Then he brought them over here. He painted them to my suggestion, and then I suggested he put it in the truck and haul them to the end of the dooryard, which he did. I have bought 2 lamps to put out there, and out there they'll get a lot of sun. So they're solar powered, so that way we'll have a light at the end of our driveway. Looks like he's also digging up 5 tree roots. He's got both of the posts up, and now he's taking out one of those roots. It's in the middle of the driveway that we drive over all the time. The bases for the lanterns are larger than the 4x4 posts, so my husband cut a board and painted it to put inside each of them so that he can screw that in, and then the lamp will fit inside there. He's doing this whole project by himself. Wonderful. He is getting ready to attach the lamps to the posts. So we mounted the base at the top of the poles so you can put the light on. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So we have lanterns at the end of our driveway, and out here we get a lot more sun. Jose has done this job himself. Of course, the poles are not put up exactly straight, but I won't complain. This one's almost right. It's the flat side is facing the driveway, but not perfectly. This side, the corner, is facing the driveway. So it's me and my OCD. Recycling the chicken fence post into light poles for our yard to put a little light by our driveway. Even though technically we have a telephone pole with a light, but I just had them replaced because it wasn't working very well.
We went from chicken fence posts to some smart looking light poles. I'd like to find a couple of fancy maybe wrought iron plant hangers or maybe decorative hooks to hang a wreath at Christmas time. Some sort of decoration to add to the poles. It would also be nice to add some sort of bush at the base of the poles. Now, I've tried to grow plants out here, but the sun beats them down and they always die off. Perhaps I planted them at the wrong time of the year to get them started. I need to find plants that love a lot of sun and can take the heat. Do you have any suggestions for me? It's the same lanterns we put out in front of the house, only we put this on a round pole because the base can be round or square. Now the end of our driveway is well lit. Here's what the lamps look like at nighttime. They add a nice touch to our driveway entrance. I think they look quite elegant. I'm thankful my husband did this job for me, so I didn't have to. I always have so many things to do and multiple projects happening all at the same time. Originally, I bought the lanterns to put near my crafting cottage, but there's too many trees. It wouldn't get enough sun. So I found a new purpose for them. I'm proud of the work he has done. We have solar-powered lanterns at the end of our driveway, just like the solar-powered lights along the ramp into my house. And the extra lighting does not add to my electric bill. That's the way I like it. I now have an Amazon storefront where I link the tools and materials that I reference in my videos. I am an Amazon associate that earns a small commission fee when you purchase through my store. There's no extra cost to you when you shop through my store. If you see something in my video that you would like to have for yourself, and I tell you that I got this from Amazon, this is a very convenient way for you to get those tools that you need. And it's a small way you can support the efforts of my channel to give you free content. You will find the link to my storefront in the video description below this video.